Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and it is a beautiful Monday in late April, and we are at Wow Motorcycles, World of Wheels Motorcycles in Marietta, Georgia, off North Cobb Parkway. And the Eagle Rider Motorcycle Tours and Rentals Company in North Atlanta is actually headquartered right here. And we're going to pick up a 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide for a road trip down to Thunder Beach, Panama City Bike Week, with me, Associate Editor Phil, and several other Road Dirt riders and contributors kind of doing a ride together. And Eagle Rider has been good enough to sign us out that Street Glide right back there. So here we are, the Brotherhood, down for a week in the sun. Hey, this is Rob and Phil with Road Dirt, and we are down in Panama City, Florida for the Thunder Beach Motorcycle Rally. Now, when you're familiar with if you're familiar with rallies, you always think of the Daytona Beach Bike Week. You think of Sturgis, you think of Laconia, you know, big, huge rallies like that. But you know, regionally around the country, there's a lot of local ones as well, and regional ones. And the Thunder Beach Rally is one of these kind of hidden gems that not a lot of people know a lot about. But here up on the Panhandle, on the Emerald Coast of Florida, is this week all the way through Sunday, is the Thunder Beach Rally in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we're down here, spend some time and meet some folks and share a little bit about a really cool little rally down here that you ought to consider coming down for in the not too distant future. So we're going to go roam around. So this is at the Harley-Davidson dealership in Panama City, and the Thunder Beach Harley-Davidson over there. This is where we are, and this is one of the venues right here, one of several venues that over the next day or two is really going to fill up. And the people at, let's see, Reinhardt Racing is here, KST Customs, handlebars, and there's all kinds of things coming on. On the Street Glide, compliments of Eagle Rider Atlanta, Phil's bike right there. We are at Frank Brown Park, which is another big venue that as we get deeper into the rally, this whole grassy area is going to be full of motorcycles and full of vendors. So after you've been to Harley-Davidson of Panama City, visit Frank Brown Park. Clockworks is here, and J&P Cycles, some of the other Commoto affiliates, Revzilla, and there's like, you know, endless aisles of vendors here over at the Frank Brown Park. It's filling up. Bikes are filling up in the parking lot. They got all kinds of food vendors and everything you can imagine. The big brands are all here. Very cool. Bill. So we have stopped in Mexico Beach, just out for a beautiful day ride here at the Thunder Beach Rally. And Mexico Beach was devastated, absolutely devastated by the hurricane a few years ago. I guess it's Cape San Blas is an island peninsula really out there, but it was wiped out. It was hit by winds. The Outer Banks were hit by winds of over 242 miles an hour. So if you come down for the rally, a good day trip is up north of the bay and between Freeport and Choctaw Beach. There's a little hole in the wall town called Basin Bayou, and a little restaurant called Nick's right by the shore. And
Incredible food, man.
unbelievable. Come eat. So if you do the Thunder Beach rally, you need to come east for a day and visit Port St. Joe. This is just a quaint little fishing town east of Panama City. Just one of the most beautiful little towns that rebuilt after the storm. And I've been through Port St. Joe, but I've never stopped. I've always wanted to stop, and we are going to stop right here at the brick wall. come to the end of the 2026 Thunder Beach Motorcycle Rally. We'll be heading out first thing in the morning. It's evening of the last day of the event, and it's been quite a time. Streets are getting quiet. Riders are heading home to their places all over the United States. Vendors are closing up shop, and it's been just a great experience for me. I've enjoyed coming down with Phil and his crew. They've been coming to this rally for years now. I've been coming down here to Panhandle, Florida for decades, since I was a teenager. So it was the perfect combination. Come down and ride. Now, this particular event, this particular rally has been going on for 26 years. It was first launched in 1999, believe it or not, by the Macon Hawg chapter. And they got with local businesses here and promoters in Panama City Beach area. And it was originally a, I think it was called the Bike and Bash, something like that. And within a year, by 2000, it was renamed the Thunder Beach Motorcycle Rally. And it's been quite a time. You know, like any rally you go to, whether it's Daytona, Sturgis, or Laconia, whatever, you know, you've always got the typical vendors, the vendor venues. There's concerts, there's all kinds of, burnout contests, custom motorcycle shows, bikini bike washings, you name it. They all have them. But what's cool about this one is its location, because there is riding to be had all on the interior, along the coastals. You head east, head back east of here. There's beautiful Mexico Beach. There's just a beautiful little town, fishing town called Port St. Joe. Beyond that, in Big Bend of Florida, is a village of Apalachicola. You head out west, and there's Miramar Beach, Destin, Choctawhatchee Bay, and there's all kinds of little towns like Freeport, Seminole, Niceville on the interior of that. And of course, you can go all the way to the end of Florida, Perdido Key. It's just all the rides along the coast. These are some of the most beautiful beaches in North America, if not the most beautiful beaches. Just white sands and just great rides all along the coastals. And then when you go in the interiors and ride a lot of the inland waterways and along the bays and harbors, just a phenomenal ride. So I want to thank Phil and his Mild Hawgs bunch of guys that let me ride along with them on this trip. Want to thank Harley Davidson and Eagle Rider Motorcycles for their motorcycle tours and rentals, for putting that awesome 2025 Street Glide under me. That's right, the Street Glide I've been riding all week long. Phenomenal motorcycle. There's a reason Harley sells so many of these Street Glides, and as far as rentals, Eagle Rider, it's one of their top rentals for touring. It's a super smooth, just wonderful motorcycle to ride, and I've enjoyed every minute of it on there. So your hookup, if you're going to ride out of town, anywhere you are in the United States, even places around the world, is Eagle Rider Rentals and Tours. So check them out. Hey, we're on social media. We're on Facebook, we're on X, we're on Instagram, their new thing called Threads. You can look us up there, Road Dirt TV. We're also on, it's got a Spotify music playlist, Road Dirt Road Tunes. Check that out as well. And our main media site that all of us guys and gals write for, our e-magazine, is roaddirt.tv. Check us out over there. A story and on this and so many others. Check us out there on roaddirt.tv. Well, going to enjoy a few last moments down here at the beach. Till next time, this is Rob with Road Dirt. Ride life.